hey everybody, I'm at the CDA and I'm walking down the aisle and I see my cover walking down the aisle. You were on the cover of my magazine.
Thank you. Thank you.
Shao.
It's been an honor. So yeah, what is it? The April 2025 cover, and that came as a big surprise to me. I didn't actually know I was going to be on the cover.
Well, it was a beautiful article, and you explained gave a lot of detail on how to do the workflow, and it was a beautiful case, and you deserve to be known. You know, you're a hidden treasure.
Oh, thank you very much. I've been very passionate about digital dentistry and the digital workflow. The SprintRay Midas is obviously a brand new technology. We have brand new material that's out there, high translucency, high strength. So we wanted to kind of share a step-by-step instruction on how we get from A to Z, because a lot of time when a new product comes out, well, the material itself is solid, the technology itself is solid, but the know-how for a lot of dentists, especially journey into digital dentistry to go from the beginning to the end, can be a little bit confusing.
Well, the dentists see something, they say, oh, I'll buy this printer, and then they bring it to their office and they go, what do I do next?
That's why I notice a lot too. I have a lot of people coming up to me after they purchase a brand new system, and they'll say, well, we had this sitting at the corner for the last 6 months. We don't know how to use it.
Too bad.
Right. And then I came across this opportunity that our marketing team told me, hey, would you care to share one of your clinical cases and write it down, the step-by-step instruction. We'll document everything, and I didn't know it was for Dentistry Today, so it was really one of those bucket lists that you didn't even know you had to check, and then...
Well, my goal as the editor is to bring in step-by-step instructions, because you can see we have dentists that doing 20 implants and 15 crowns, but if you know how to do each one individually, you'll be able to do all those cases. It takes the mystery out of things.
Exactly.
And you did a great job.
No, thank you very much. And it was a real clinical case that we're doing.
Yeah.
And then we usually for the article and all that, upgrade my camera rig, and then really I think part of the journey is by doing this article and by working with your editorial team to tell me the requirement for the photography and the lighting. Fundamentally, I believe that it made me a better dentist, because looking at this now, I go like, oh, I can't believe I did that. That's great. So.
Well, congratulations again, Steve.
Thank you very much.
Great to see you.
Thank you.